At Biocrates, we build innovative metabolomics solutions for researchers and clinicians to investigate complex metabolic pathways and profiles in unprecedented detail. Our metabolomics solutions come conveniently packaged in ready-to-use kit formats, facilitating quantitative and reproducible results in a variety of application areas, including biomarker discovery, pharmaceutical R&D, nutrition, and human health. Accuracy and reproducibility are at the core of our technology, enabling comprehensive analysis of metabolites and biological samples that are comparable across large studies and laboratories. We believe in making metabolomics accessible and transparent by enabling labs to generate high-quality results. Biocrates, the future of research in health.